Hello and a very warm welcome to all the enthusiastic learners joining us today. Today we are going to further explore exam preparation and practices, exam preparation strategies, practical tips for effective study, sample questions and practice exercises, conclusions and question and answers. Now, we are discuss about importance of sensors in biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering is an interdisciplinary field that merges principles from engineering, biology and medicine to develop technologies and systems for improving health care. Sensors play a pivotal role in this field, and real time data from patients, devices and biological systems. Role of sensors in biomedical applications. Sensors act as the interface between the human body and biomedical devices, enabling the measurement of various physiological parameters and the monitoring of health conditions. They play a crucial role in data acquisition, which is fundamental for diagnostic, therapeutic and research purposes. Biomedical sensors can provide continuous and non-invasive monitoring, enhancing patient care and enabling early detection of abnormalities. Types of sensors used in healthcare. Biomedical sensors come in various types, each designed for specific applications. Common sensor types include biochemical sensors, measure biochemical markers like glucose levels, pH and specific proteins. Electrical sensors detect and record electrical signals from the body such as EEG and EEG electroencephalogram. Mechanical sensors monitoring mechanical parameters like blood pressure and respiration rate. Imaging sensors include technologies like magnetic resonance imaging and computed tomography, scans that provide detailed anatomical and functional information. Optical sensors use light to measure parameters like blood oxygen saturation SpO2 and pulse rate. Examples ECG, EEG, blood pressure monitors. Now, we discuss their examples. Provide concrete examples of biomedical sensors to illustrate their applications. Electrocardiogram measure the electrical activity of the heart, helping diagnose heart conditions like arrhythmias and myocardial infarction. Electroencephalogram EEG records electrical activity in the brain, assisting in the diagnosis of neurological disorders and the monitoring of brain function. Blood pressure monitors utilize mechanical and sometimes electrical sensors to measure blood pressure, a vital parameters for assessing cardiovascular health, ensuring accuracy and precision in measurements. Emphasize the critical need for accuracy and precision in biomedical measurements, as decisions related to patient care often rely on this data. Discuss calibration process, sensor maintenance and quality control measures to ensure reliable results. Mention advancements in sensor technology such as the use of microfabrication and nanotechnology, which have improved sensor sensitivity and accuracy. Now, we are going to discuss exam preparation strategies preparing effectively for exams, especially in the field of biomedical instrumentation and sensors. Requires a well thorough out approach. Here are the key strategies to emphasize on this topic. Understand the exam format, multiple choice, short answer and essay. Understanding the format of the exam is crucial as it guides your study approach. Different question types require distinct preparation strategies. Multiple choice questions. These often test your knowledge and recognition of key concepts. Focus on understanding core ideas. Short answer questions typically require concise, fact based responses. Understand key facts and concepts. Essay questions call for in depth understanding and the ability to articulate your thoughts coherently. Practice essay writing skills and critical thinking. Create a study schedule. A study schedule provides structure and ensures you cover all necessary topics. Here's how to create an effective schedule. Allocate specific time slots for study sessions. Prioritize challenging topics. Include breaks to prevent burnout. Stick to your schedule consistently. Utilize study materials, textbooks, lecture notes. Textbook and lecture notes are your primary sources of information. Effective use of these resources involves taking organized notes during lectures, annotating textbooks with important points, creating concise summarize or flashcards for quick review, seeking clarification from professors or peers when needed. Break down the syllabus. Break down the syllabus into manageable sections or topics. This helps in focused study. Identify core concepts and learning objectives. Create a checklist of topics to cover. Allocate more times to challenging or valley sections. Cross off completed topics for a sense of accomplishment. Set realistic study goals. Setting achievable study goals helps you stay motivated and track progress. Establish short term goals daily or weekly and long term goals end of the semester. Ensure goals are specific, measurable and time bound, that is complete chapter by the date end date. Celebrate small success to maintain motivation. Now, we will discuss about practical tips for effective study. Studying effectively is not just about the quantity of study time, but also about the quality of study methods. Here are practical tips to help students maximize their study efforts in the context of biomedical instrumentation and sensors. Active learning techniques. Active learning involves engaging with the study material rather than passively reading or listening. Some active learning techniques include note taking. Summarize key points from lectures and textbooks in your own words. Mind mapping. Create visual representations of complex concepts to aid understanding. Teaching others. Explaining topics to peers or using a whiteboard to teach can reinforce your own understanding. Problem solving. Practice problems related to the subject matter to apply theoretical knowledge utilizing online resources. The internet offers a wealth of resources to supplement traditional study materials. Video tutorials, platforms like YouTube and educational websites often host video tutorials on complex topics. Online forum. Participate in forums or discussion boards where students and experts share insight and discuss challenging concepts. Open educational resources. Access free online textbooks, lecture notes and educational materials to complement your studies. group study sessions. Collaborative learning can be highly effective in understanding difficult concepts and providing different perspectives from study groups with peers to discuss, debate and solve problems together. Teach and explain topics to each other to reinforce understanding. Use group study as an opportunity to clarify doubts and test each other's knowledge. Now, we will discuss about review and revision strategies. Consistent review and revision are key to retaining information over the long term. Create flashcards for quick review of important terms and concepts. Schedule regular review sessions to revisit previously covered material. Prioritize areas that you find challenging or frequently forget. Summarize and condense your notes periodically for a quick refresher. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle. A healthy body and mind are essential for effective study. Prioritize sleep. Ensure you get enough rest to consolidate your learning and maintain focus. Eat well. A balanced diet supports cognitive function and energy levels. Exercise. Physical activity can reduce stress, improve concentration and boost overall well-being. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing to stay calm during exams. Now, we are going to sample questions and practice exercises. Practice questions and exercises are essential components of effective exam preparation. They help reinforce knowledge and build program or problem solving skills. In the context of biomedical instrumentation and sensors, consider the following type of practice materials. Multiple choice questions are common in exams and can test a wide range of topics efficiently. Advantages: test understanding of key concepts, cover a broad range of material in a short time, read each question carefully, eliminate obviously incorrect options, use educated guess when unsure, but be cautious. Short answer questions. Short answer questions require concise, fact based responses and demonstrate a deeper understanding of specific topics. Advantages: encourage critical thinking and synthesis of information. Address each part of the question. Be clear and concise in your responses. Provide relevant details and examples where appropriate. Case studies and problem solving. Case studies and problem solving scenarios simulate real world situations where knowledge application is crucial. Advantages: develop analytical and decision making skills, encourage critical thinking in complex situations, analyze the problem thoroughly, consider all relevant factors, purpose well justified solutions. Now, we discuss about sample question. Question is, which of the following is a type of sensor commonly used in measuring blood glucose levels for diabetes management? Option A, electrocardiogram sensor. Option B, electroencephalogram sensor. Option C is thermocouple sensor and option D, glucometer sensor. First, explain each option. Option A, electrocardiogram ECG sensor. This sensor is used to measure electrical activity in the heart rate. It is not used for measuring blood glucose levels. Therefore, it is incorrect. B option is electroencephalogram sensor. EEG sensor are used to measure electrical activity in the brain. They are not used for blood glucose measurements and are not relevant to this question. Option C is thermocouple sensor. Thermocouples are typically used for temperature measurement, not blood glucose monitoring. This option is not related to the question. Option D is glucometer sensor. Glucometer sensors are specifically designed for measuring blood glucose levels and are commonly used in diabetes management. This is the correct answer. So, option D is correct. Mock exams, simulating exam conditions. Mock exams are full length practice exams designed to mimic actual exam conditions. Advantages: help you become familiar with the exam format and time constraints, identify strengths and weaknesses in your knowledge, create a quiet, distraction free environment, stick to the time limits as if it were the real exam, review your answers afterward to understand mistakes. Now, we will discuss of answers and explanations. After practicing questions, it is crucial to review and understand the correct answers and explanations. Advantages: clarify misconceptions and deepen understanding. Learn from your mistakes. Review both correct and incorrect answers. Seek additional resources or explanations if needed. Adjust your study plan based on your performance. Mock exams. Mock exams, also known as practice exams or simulated exams, are a crucial tool for self-assessment and exam preparation. They serve several important purposes. First, evaluate knowledge. Mock exams help you assess your understanding of the subject matter. They reveal areas of strength and weakness. Second, familiarity with exam format. They acquaint you with the format and structure of the actual exam, reducing test anxiety and enhancing confidence. Third, time management. Mock exams help you practice time management skills, ensuring you can complete all sections within the allotted time. Fourth, identify gaps. They identify gaps in your knowledge, allowing you to focus your study efforts on areas that need improvement. Fifth, adaptability. Repeated mock exams can improve your ability to adapt to different question styles and patterns. Sixth, build endurance. They build mental and physical endurance required for the actual exam. Now, suggest resources for finding practice exams. There are several resources to find practice exam tailored to biomedical instrumentation and sensor topics. First, textbooks. Many textbooks include practice questions and sample exams at the end of chapters. Second, online educational platforms. Website like Coursera, NTPL, that's all. Third is university or college resources. Your institutions, academic departments or libraries may offer past exams or practice materials. Fourth, official exam preparation materials. If there is an official exam for your course, consider purchasing official exam preparation materials from the exam provider or freely available in website. Fifth is online forums and communities. Online forums and communities related to biomedical instrumentation may share practice exams and tips. Encourage participants to simulate exam conditions. Simulating exam conditions is vital for getting the most out of the mock exams. First, quiet environment. Find a quiet, distraction free space to take the mock exam. Second, time limit. Set a strict time limit for completing the exam, just as you would during the actual exam. Third, no distractions. Turn off your phone and eliminate any distraction during the mock exam. Fourth, honor code. Adhere to academic honesty standards during mock exams. Treat them as if they were real exams. By emphasizing the importance of mock exams, suggesting where to find practice materials and stressing the need to replicate real exam conditions, you are helping participants better prepare themselves for success in their biomedical instrumentation and sensor related exams. Now, conclusions. Biomedical instrumentation. Highlight the significance of biomedical instrumentation in healthcare. Importance of sensors. Stress the crucial role of sensors in biomedical engineering and healthcare monitoring. Exam preparation studies. Summarize strategies like understanding the exam format, creating a study schedule, utilizing study materials, break down the syllabus and setting realistic study goals. Practical study tips. Reiterate the importance of active learning techniques, online resources, group study, review and revision strategies, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Sample question and practice exercises. Remind participant about the value of practice questions and exercise in reinforcing learning. Mock exams. Emphasize the benefits of simulating exam conditions through mock exams. Emphasize the importance of thorough exam preparations. Stress the significance of thorough exam preparation in achieving success in the field of biomedical instrumentation and sensors. Highlight that a well prepared student is not only better equipped to excel in exam, but is also better prepared for their future careers in healthcare and biomedical engineering. Encourage participants to apply the strategy and tips. Conclude by motivating participants to actively apply the strategies and tips shared in their study routines. Remind them that effective exam preparation is a journey that requires dedication and consistent effort. Encourage them to seek help from instructors, peers and available resources whenever needed. Now, question and answer sessions. We are discussing about questions and their samples. As questions are raised, provide clear and concise answers. Here are how to handle questions effectively. Listen carefully to the question and make sure you understand it before responding. Address each question with respect and professionalism, even if it seems basic or unrelated to the main topic. If you don't know the answer, be honest about it and offer to follow up with additional information later if possible. Encourage discussion among participants, especially if the question sparks a relevant debate or different perspectives. Additional tips for a successful session. Ensure that the question and answer session remains focused and on topic. Politely guide discussion back to relevant points if they were off track. If you receive multiple questions on the same topic, you can consolidate them and answer comprehensively. Set a time limit for the question and answer session to manage the flow of questions and allow for a balanced discussion. If time constraints prevent addressing all questions, offer to address unanswered questions via email or through a follow up resource. Now, last we conclude the topic, summarize the main takeaways and key points discussed through the presentation. This should serve as a quick review of the most important information presented. Biomedical instrumentation highlights the significance of biomedical instrumentation in healthcare, importance of sensors, stress the crucial role of sensors in biomedical engineering and healthcare monitoring. Exam preparation strategies summarize strategies like understanding the exam format, creating a study schedule, utilizing study material, breaking down the syllabus and setting realistic study goals. Practical study tips reiterate the importance of active learning techniques, online resources, group study, review and revision strategies, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Sample question and practice exercise. Remind participants about the value of practice questions and exercise in reinforcing learning. Mock exams. Emphasize the benefits of simulating exam conditions through mock exams. Thank you.